today's video, guys, I will make my Filipino style pickle. So I have these ingredients for my calamansi pulp pickle. Calamansi pulp I already soaked in water for one night. I take all the juice, wash and soak in water for overnight. So then after drain. So this one already I put here inside. Then I add 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of sugar because this is Filipino style, and I have 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Also, I will put black pepper, 1 teaspoon also. So now we have to blend it together. I want to check the taste. It's good. And now, guys, this is ready. This is already finished. So we have to ferment this also for 1 week. The taste is sour and sweet. This is a little bit buttery from the pulp, but it's okay. After 1 week, it will blend with the vinegar and the sugar, and the taste will become nice. So this one, this is pickle, guys. So guys, I have this again jar. I already washed with sabon and in hot water. I sterilize in hot water. Then I put this our pickle. That's it. This one you have to ferment for 1 week, and after 1 week it's ready. So you can eat with any fried ulam. So this is pickle, Filipino style pickle. Calamansi pulp. Ating calamansi. So nagkulay dilaw siya. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy and you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button so that you're always updated on my new videos. Bye everyone. You're blessed. Thank you so much to all my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you everyone. Bye.